Okay, so I'm just pretty much making a video to show the bike in a little bit more detail, and essentially just to kind of show you guys that it actually does run, because a lot of ads and people say that their bikes do run and all that, but when you get there and look at it, oh well, it ran yesterday, you find out hasn't ran in months. Maybe something as simple as it just needs a carb cleaning or whatever. But this one, obviously, all the wires are an amazing mess right now. Everything's kind of ripped out. I just have it down to the bare essentials of what it actually needs to run. Pop the seat off here. I'm not going to screw that in right now. That's kind of my kill switch right now. Just pull it out to start it. So I put it on there, so I got a good connection going all the way through. So turn the choke on. Starter button. Okay, and then I'm going to switch it into first gear with the clutch and my foot, and I'm going to just look at the back wheel and show you guys that it does rotate. Gears work. Clutch pulled in. Switch it down into first. As I let it go slowly, the wheel's gonna go. Pop it up to second. A little bit faster now. Pop it up to third. Even faster. Fourth. We got fifth and sixth also, which are obviously a bit faster. So we go all the way back down to neutral. Or apparently that's first, I don't know. Now we're back in neutral. Load it off. Still good. Okay. So battery is brand new as of New Year 2013. It's a Fuson. It's a Japanese bike. It's an off-brand, kind of styled after a Honda Rebel 250. The airbox that was on here was old and cracked and leaking and didn't really have any purpose being there anymore, so I picked up another filter for it, my own little intake system, just basic plumbing. And this front piece actually came from the old airbox. The carb's been gone through, everything's cleaned, plug's been gapped, and everything else like that. So yeah, it does run, but needs a lot of work. So